Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Yuffie. I make beauty, skincare, and hijab tutorial videos. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you do. Today I'm going to teach you how to do 3 hijab styles with chest coverage. So if you're interested to learn, make sure to keep watching. Okay, I'm going to stand for this. Alright, so for the first style, we're going to have one short side, one long side. Okay, so you're going to take the short side and then you're going to fold it around your face. And make sure you make a nice V shape around your face like this. Okay, and then you're going to pin over here. So the short side, you're going to place it so that it covers your chest and looks very neat, like that. Okay, so this side, you're going to bring it around. Then you can just leave it draped around your shoulder like that. So you can pin it on your shoulder. And you can also pin here. Just make sure you shape it the way you like it. So you can either fold it like that, or you can leave it loose like this. Then you can pin one more here so that everything stays in place. And you're done. So this is the first style. This is how it looks like from the front. This is how it looks from the back. So you have like this nice long drapey piece over here. If you don't like it to be too long like that, you can just unpin that part. And you can bring it around, unpin that part. And then you can bring it around 2 times. And then you can just pin it. Alright? Or another style, you can also do then just pin it here. Okay, so this is the first style. Okay, so for the second style, just kind of do the same. One short side, one long side. Just that the short side is slightly longer than before. Okay, so it's something like that. Maybe slightly shorter. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Let's just see. Alright, so same thing as before. Just gonna fold this and then pin. Make sure you have the nice V shape, and then you're just gonna pin. Yeah. Alright, so this, you're just gonna leave this here, but you're gonna make sure that it's neat. Then this little bit here, you can pin if you want. Yeah, maybe I'll pin it. Okay, so cover it like that the way you want. And then this one. Okay. And then let's do it again. So this, make sure that it drapes nicely. Bring it to the back. Okay. And then you have this long side. And you just bring it back to the front. So you just have to fix it how you want it to look. So you can have this longer, you can have it shorter like that. So I'll just have it slightly shorter. And you can, if you want it to be more secure, you can pin it. But I'll just leave it. And then you can pin up here just to make everything stay in place as usual. Okay, and then make sure that the around the shape around your face looks good. So I like it to be a little bit loose over there. You just pin it right here. Okay, and that's it. If you want it to be more secure, of course you can pin this long side over here, but I just gonna leave it. Yeah, you can pin here, you can pin here, you can pin here if you want, just to make it secure. But basically this is the look. So I like this style because it has this nice long drapey bit here, which looks very elegant. But this is how it looks like from the back. And yeah. Okay, so for the last style, which is basically the tie back style, but with chest coverage. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. You're going to start like we did before, one long side, one short side, but this time it's going to be almost the same, just the short side is slightly shorter. So it's like that. Yeah, very slightly shorter. Okay, and then again, you're going to do this. Okay, all right, and then you take this, throw it to the back. Okay, so then I'm going to show you how to get it to cover your chest. All right, so this part, you're going to make sure you're going to drape it in a way that it covers your front. Okay, so you hold it like that. And then here again, pin it first, like that. Yeah. Okay, then you turn around, bring this up, then tie it. Tie into a knot. Don't tie it too tight. Right? And then, because you pinned it over here, then it basically covers your front. But as usual, you can pin up here, pin over here, just to make sure that everything is secure. And that's it. See, you can still do the tie back style and cover your chest. So this is how it looks like at the back. And this is how it looks like from the front. And that's it. So those are the 3 hijab styles with chest coverage. Let me know in the comments which of the 3 styles is your favorite. And also let me know if you have any issues with any of the styles, then maybe I can help you. Yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next video. Bye!